guys, hello YouTubers. Long time passed since I made my last video, and now we are going to see a basic process how to balance charge your lipo battery for your AEG with imax B6 clone. This is a 3rd-gen Yakuza 6, one of the better imax B6 clones, and we are going to start the process from the beginning. Keep in mind always, as you play or as you use your lipo batteries should not overcharged and undercharged. So once your AEG is starting to slow down when using lipo, then immediately remove the lipo from the AEG and charge it to avoid having further damage. Okay, with the B6 and balance charging, you have to connect both lipo connectors. One is the DINS or Minitomi or rather XT60. Yeah. I have a DINS converter for Tamiya, and don't forget to connect the balance plug. Okay, back to the menu. Select your battery. Lipo, NIMH, NICD, whatever. So we need lipo. Press enter. The only charging method I use is the lipo balance. Then set your charge current, and this is a 1100 lipo, MIH lipo, and the lipos you generally should be charged around 1C. 1C means 1.1 amperes. Balance 1.0 amps, 7.4 volt. This is a 7.4 volt battery. Hold the start button long and checks the battery voltage and asks you to confirm it is a 2-cell serial configuration battery. One cell on lipo is 3.7 watts, 2 cells is 7.4, so this is a 2-cell serial. Confirm with enter and the charging process begins. And that's it. Thanks for watching, rate, comment, subscribe.